Hi class, this is your teacher, Miss Adams. I am so excited to tell you about a new program that we're going to be using for our distance learning. It is called Seesaw. Seesaw is an online digital portfolio where you'll be able to expand your learning experiences during this time by using creative tools to show me what you have learned. Some of the tools that this program uses include photos, audio, video, drawings, being able to upload files and documents, and also being able to link other websites to or web pages to your Seesaw account in order to show me what you know. So today, the main focus of this video is to show you how to access it from your ClassLink account, to give you a brief overview of the features that are part of Seesaw, and to introduce you to the two activities that I put in there for spring break, which is listed in our Google Classroom underneath spring break assignments. Let's get started. So once you've logged into your ClassLink page, it would bring you to your page where you have all of your program icons. What I'd like you to do is to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and that's where you'll find the Seesaw icon. I have added the Seesaw icon to everyone's ClassLink account, so you don't have to worry about adding it yourself. It's already there. So all you have to do is find it. It looks just like this one right here, and click on it in order to access Seesaw. Now, once you've clicked on it, it should take you to a page that looks just like this. Now, for some of you, the page may take you to a whole nother page where they ask you for your username and password. If you do get taken to that page that asks for your username and password, go ahead and input that information and click Save. It will then direct you to this page right here. Once you get to this page, we're going to click on the colorful G. This will allow us to sign into Seesaw using our Google accounts. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. There we go. Now my Google account information is going to come up. Here it is right here. And it should have my email address. If yours do not come up, then go ahead and input your email address because it'll ask for it, and then click next or save or whatever that button might be. For those of you who do, I'm going to go ahead and click here. And it's going to take me to my Seesaw account. So this is Seesaw from the teacher view. You can see I have my demo class, Garden Friends, but I also have the class that you're part of, which is right here, kindergarten class. I'm going to be using my demo class to show you how to access all the features of Seesaw. So let me switch over to that right now, and then I'll show you how to use it. All right, so here we are in a student view of Seesaw. This is using my demo class, Garden Friends. So I am in the account of Laura Ladybug. So right here, you will find your name when you're in Seesaw, and it should say your name. If you click on that, it'll say what class you're part of right here. And then it'll have a number, a red circle with a number in it. That number represents any activities you have waiting for you in Seesaw. I'm going to go ahead and click back over here. Okay. I want to just go all the way to the other side. Right here, you'll see the name of the class, Garden Friends for my demo class. For you, it's going to say kindergarten. And then it will have 3 tabs located right below the title. The first tab is Journal, the second tab is Activities, and the third tab is Inbox. For today, I'm only going to focus on the Journal tab and the Activities tab. So let's click on the Journal tab. The Journal tab is where all of your activities, when they are completed, will be housed. So when you're done with each activity and you click that green check mark, your activity will be completed and it'll be placed in your journal. You can access all your activities right here. For those that have not been approved, you can go in and make changes to it, or those that I might send back that I need you to add more to it, you'll be able to have access to those. as well as those that have been approved and are sitting there waiting for you to view. Okay. The next tab that we're going to talk about and we're going to focus mainly on is the activities tab. The activities tab is where you'll find all the activities that have been assigned to you. You will notice here there's that number 2 in a red circle. That number 2 in a red circle lets you know that you have 2 activities waiting for you for spring break that you need to complete. This number will go down as you complete each of the activities and they move over to your journal. That number 2, that number will reduce down. So once we complete one of the activities today, that number will go from a 2 down to a 1, down to a 1, okay? So if you look over here in this section, this is where all your activities are listed. Today, there are 2 activities that are listed. We have activity number 1 right here, and if you scroll down, you have the second activity here. The second activity is called sorting shapes. The first activity is called get to know you, okay? Now, the way these activities are set up is it gives you your title, the name of your assignment, of your activity, and then it lists all the directions for completing the assignments. So all the directions that you need to follow for completing the assignments are listed right underneath the title. Okay, sometimes there is a button on here that allows you to listen to those instructions. Not all the activities have this, but some of the activities do. So if you were to click this button, you'd be able to listen to the assignment, listen to the directions for the assignment. If you look at the assignment that comes after it, the sorting shapes, it has the directions listed, but there is no play instructions button. So this assignment doesn't have that audio feature on it. So for this one, you'll have to have your parents read the directions to you. And then as they read each one, you complete each of those steps in order to complete the activity. So for the sorting shape one, you'll see that the first instruction says press the picture to listen to the story. That means you have to click here and then it'll take you to another window and it'll have the story for you to read, to follow along with as it's read to you. You'll close that window and then come back to this one and then follow the rest of the directions. I'm going to explain to you with the first assignment what this symbol means and what that symbol means, as well as this one. But I'm not going to be completing this assignment for you or with you. So let's go back up to the first assignment. Here we go. So looking at the directions, it says use crayons and paper to draw a picture of yourself. So I've already drawn a picture of Laura Ladybug, ready to go. So now that my picture is drawn, I'm going to go ahead and go to the next one. It says tap the add button. Then after I'm done tapping the add button, which is right here, I'm going to take a photo of my drawing. Then I'm going to tap the mic and tell about me. When I'm done, I'm going to then tap the check mark in order to add it to my journal. Okay, so let's follow those directions. I have my picture done. Check that off. Now I'm going to tap on the add response. This will take me to the next stage, which is this page right here. Now I need to, according to my instructions, take a photo of my drawing, take a photo of my picture. Now, just in case I forgot the next step, I can click right here where it says view instructions, and there's the instructions again. View instructions are always at the top of each of the assignments. So if you ever forget what to do, you can click on the view instructions and this will pop up for you to remember. And because this one has an audio portion to it, it also has the audio where you can click and hear it instead of clicking here. So here are the areas in this page. I can take a picture of a photo. I can take a photo. I can do a drawing, take a video, upload to my to the activity. I can write notes, sentences, words, or I can I can link another web page to my activity if that's what is required. Today, it only asks me to take a photo of my picture. So I'm going to click on this button and take a photo of my picture. As they're waiting for the camera to come up, you can see there's that view instruction again. See? So once again, it's always there at the top waiting just in case you forget what to do next. All right, hi class. All right, so here I am with my picture of Laura Ladybug. I'm gonna go ahead and take a picture of it. So I'm gonna put this right in front of the camera, get it nice and get it in there nice and well. And then go up a little bit so we can see it better. There we go. And now I'm going to take a picture. I'm going to click the camera button at the bottom to take my picture. All right, my picture has been taken and there it is, ready to go, ready for me to move on to the next set of instructions. So clicking on my instruction button, it says I need to now tap the mic and tell about me. So before we do all of that, I'm going to kind of guide you through what's here. So over here, we have our microphone. We have our camera to take another picture. We have this, which allows us to do a text box in order to type information in. Right down here, we have our eraser. So if we need to write something or draw something, we can then erase it. We have our glitter pen marker, that's right there. We have our highlighter. We have our marker. Here is our pencil. And then right here with those 4 little dots, that's our pointer, our movement item. So I click on this, it turns blue, and now I can move things around on my screen. For today, we don't need that. We can go back to here for right now. We're going to be using only the microphone right now. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the microphone and tell about Laura Ladybug. So I'm going to go over here to the microphone and now I'm going to click. And this is the screen that pops up. It's going to tell me hi, I'm Laura Ladybug. And this is a picture of me. I am a beautiful ladybug. My favorite is, now that I'm done recording, I'm going to go ahead up here at the top and click the done button. So now I'm done with my instructions. If I wanted to re-record it, I can. If I wanted to listen to it, I could click this button. For today, I'm not going to do any of that. I like what I've done. So I'm going to go up here and see what was the last set of instructions. It said, tap the check mark to add it to my journal. So now I'm going to go over here to the corner and click on that check mark. Now this assignment, this activity will be added to my journal on Seesaw. Notice how my activity has gone down to 1 because I've already completed one. And there it is in my journal. Here's my assignment. There it is, waiting for teacher approval for that. Now it's in the hands of my teacher to go in and approve it on her end so that it can be posted. Okay. When I'm ready to do my next assignment, my next activity, I just click on activity. And there it is, ready to go. I will follow the directions that are there and complete the activity step by step in my Seesaw account. When I'm done with this, it'll end up in my journal located right here. And that 1 will become either 0 or there won't be a red circle there at all. Now, if by any chance you need to make any changes, you can. Just by clicking the 3 dots at the bottom, you can go in and edit and make any changes that you need to before it's approved by the teacher. Okay, that's it. That's how you use Seesaw, and that's how you access Seesaw and complete the activities there. If you have any questions, have your parents contact me through Parent Square, or you may contact me with a private message through Google, through our Google Classroom. I hope you enjoyed this, have fun, and I look forward to working with you more with our new online program, Seesaw. All right, thank you. Bye.